Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. You got it? Come on, Cleo, what are you doing?
Hey, pass me a tape.
No, let's go.
Come on, I ain't going nowhere till you pass me a tape.
Take that shit, let's go.
Yeah.
Damn, Studi, this is
East
whopping.
End Arbor Grove, baby, since a youngin'. Granny called me broke, though, knew that I'd be thuggin'. Air Max 97 come up with my cousins. Both Keisha son, gang bang. My little brother, that's my blood brother. M&A-G, that's my dog, that's my mud brother. Rest in peace to Mama Timmy Bird, the real thug nigga. Pistol packing, all black gloves, I was really acting. Young nigga ignorant, but dog, I was really jacking. Yeah, we was moving bows, so we knew that coke. Mama selling crack cocaine, uncle with the dope. Shooter caught that bad case if niggas really knew. Dizzle about them guns, if you know, then you know, cause I was, in real life, nigga. I still do it, it's all authentic, nigga. Look, hard head as hell. First 9 milli, 6 solid out, I swear. I was grabbing those from South Man and Wood Hill. Granny at the top, Bum at the bottom. Chillin' on the brick, know the homies had a bottle. Xanax and 211, know we mean trouble. We was going out, gangin' niggas just for trouble. 2-man missions ain't no game. Nigga, nah, I won't say no name, but I was pistol packing, really jacking, about that action. Fuck a validation, that's the baby mama. Fuck that, nigga, you can ask her mama sign. And shit really changed when niggas start pistol packing. Dante and Marcus got into it for real. Shit really changed with that gunplay. This shit is real life, not just music. Rest in peace to Ross, my nigga lost his life when niggas start. I got it, yeah.
Go get some money, it'll make you feel great like Alice. You hear me scraping on these dishes like I'm getting some eggs. The drinker rip the melon off him with the force of mother. Now I burn him like a sunbather. Go and meet your Lord and say, exotic, stiff as Hercules. I'm up his face like Eloise. The scale swimming like a school of migrating sardines. Call me Rambo in the east cause I get active like Savannah. I'm beating on this white girl, me no chance of the molester. The crooked cracker like my junkie lips in late December. I'm beefing with my lower self, I'm paranoid like Adolf Hitler. Don't nobody ask me none, I suppose so much I don't remember. My crooked cracking like junkie lips in late December. From the back end, breaking in like a home invasion. Looking outside, you still sleeping. Looking inside, you awake. I love it when you niggas say you been. I say congratulations. AT drop it on the pipe, I watch it melt down like a vapor. I'ma send somebody to the afterlife to meet old Trap